welcome back to the channel. I wanted to talk real quick about what sold in July. I know that it's supposed to be a summer slowdown, but I really haven't slowed down as far as a hobbyist, so I'm pretty happy. I'm selling stuff every couple days, so I'll have the pictures right up here. The first one is a Holddown clip. It's a steel clip that I bought from a hardware store. They had a markdown clearance. I think they were 50 cents, and then it was 50% or 50% off clearance day. So anyway, 25 cents for this little clip. It's used by farmers and people that have tractors and trailers and equipment, and it's just something that's you buy aftermarket that holds down stuff. I don't know why, what it's used for, but normally it's $12–15. I sold it for $6.95, and I had it for a long time. It was like a year. So this oddball stuff I don't really recommend. Even if you can get it super cheap, it just does not sell well. So I do have on my eBay store a junk drawer hardware lot. It's like 35 bucks. It's about 50 items, just various hardware stuff, and it just does not sell very well at all. Not sure why. The next one is a cassette tape. This is the album Breakfast in America by Supertramp. Ironically enough, I used this cassette tape as an example of how to list on eBay, and I went through the whole thing. It's a really long video, but this actually sold. It didn't take very long at all. It sold for $7.95. I was willing to take offers. Nobody made an offer. They just paid straight up what I was asking for. $7.95 plus shipping on top. Not a bad flip at all. That metal clip is also shipping on top. The last item is a knife. My cousin Carson just gave it to me. New in the package. Said, here, sell this on eBay. He didn't even want it. And they were selling $12, $11, $10 all day long on eBay. Not super expensive, but it was super nice of him just to give it to me. And I explained that in my sourcing video. I'm not sure which one that is, episode 5 or 6, but I talk about sourcing, and one sourcing method is just free stuff you already own, or you have friends and family, say they have a garage sale and it's the day after the sale is over and they got leftover stuff. If they know that you're a reseller, they might just give it to you. So sometimes out of the kindness of their heart, friends and family and just people will just give you stuff, and they're like, here, go sell this on eBay. So that's what I did with the knife. I had it for $7.99, and the guy offered me $6, and I said, heck yeah, so I took it plus shipping on top. So not big sellers, very small margins, but it's nice to move stuff, get your inventory out of here. Also give you more feedback and more experience with listing and shipping and all that. So not bad at all. So summer slowdown hasn't really kicked in for me yet. So that's what sold on eBay. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up if you can. If you're not a subscriber, please consider hitting the subscribe button below. Be a subscriber, and then you can get notified of my upcoming videos. I'm trying to put out 2 a week. Right now I'm kind of slow. It's about 1 a week. So that's what sold. This is the Midwest Picker. Thanks for watching.